A multimeter is also known as a VOM, an electronic measuring instrument that combines several measurement functions in one unit and can measure voltage, current, and resistance. They come in handy for doing all types of tests around electrical lines and electrical components on products and appliances. There are a high variety and range of multimeter present these days in the market, and they vary from a basic model to a laboratory-grade multimeter. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The Masstech MS8229 combines a multimeter, a sound level meter, thermometer, lux meter, humidity meter, all in one. Also, it's packed with many nice features such as temperature and humidity display, sound and light warning for the jacks, and backlit LCD screen. Besides, it offers an auto range option and useful supporting features such as illuminated sockets and audio signals. The device is well suited for beginners too. Moreover, it comes with a large LCD to show 3 lines of readings, as well as a backlight for easy reading. On the other hand, it's an ideal multifunction instrument with scores of practical applications for professional, workshop, school, hobby, and home use. The Fluke 116 HVAC comes with a built-in thermometer for HVAC applications. It can take temperature and microamp measurements, and it delivers the capabilities professionals demand to troubleshoot and repair HVAC equipment and flame sensors quickly. It can measure resistance, continuity, frequency, and capacitance. Also, the compact design, which allows for one-handed operation, and the large white LED backlight to make it possible to work efficiently in any environment. It includes a built-in thermometer to measure temperature from -40 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius. Besides, it features low input impedance to help prevent false readings due to ghost voltage. It offers a large white LED backlight for working in poorly lit areas. The Fluke 179 offers a digital display with analog bar graph and built-in temperature measurements. It includes a built-in thermometer to measure temperature without having to carry a separate instrument. Also, it delivers accurate true-RMS AC and voltage plus frequency, capacitance, resistance, continuity, and diode measurements. Besides, it increases productivity with manual and automatic ranging, display hold, auto hold, and min/max average recording. Moreover, it is independently tested for safe use in CAT3 1000V, CAT4 600V environments, and it is backed by a lifetime warranty. On the other hand, it has the features you need to troubleshoot and repair electrical and electronic systems, plus a backlit digital display, analog bar graph, and built-in temperature measurements. Holding the first place among the list of best multimeters, we have the Fluke 87-V. It provides accurate frequency measurements on adjustable speed drives, ASD, due to Fluke designed low-pass filter. Also, it has a built-in thermometer that allows temperature measurements without a separate thermometer. Besides, it is explicitly designed to handle complex signals, and it enables you to gain productivity by taking the guesswork out of drive system troubleshooting, even in loud, high-energy, and top-altitude locations. Moreover, it has a removable holster with a built-in probe and test lead storage. On the other hand, it provides both auto and manual ranging for optimum flexibility. Another advantage is that it features an analog bar graph that allows for measurement of quick changing or unstable signals. It measures up to 0A, up to 20A for 30 seconds, and 1000V AC and DC.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.